Hello everyone, this is Mona Lisa once again welcoming you to Karigori Hats YouTube channel. So this episode will be on everyday wear sarees which are on 20% discount. As I had already mentioned in my episode 3 that the 20% discounted sarees will be coming up in another episode. And so here I am with episode 4 wherein I'll be showing you the everyday wear sarees which are on 20% discount. So let's get started with it. First and foremost, the first sari that I'll be showing you is the one which I'm wearing. Okay, so this is obviously my sari, so this is not on sale. I will show you two pieces. Okay, this is the same sari, and these two pieces are there with me, which are on sale. Okay, I'm not opening them because they are nicely packed, they are nicely ironed and nicely packed, so I don't want to open them again, so I have to again polish them, iron them. Okay, so I'll be showing you the sari which I am wearing so that you get an idea of how the sari looks. Here you see is a pallu portion. The material of the sari is cotton and hand batik done all over the sari. The pallu portion has these blocks. This is olive, this is cream, this is dark mustard yellow and black. Okay, so nice pattern is done, and the same pattern which is in the pallu you will also find in the pleats or the kuchi portion. Okay, this is the patli and this is the pallu. So this is basically a patli pallu sari, which means that the pleats portion and the pallu portion, they match, they look alike. Okay, the design and pattern is same. So the kuchi portion or the pleats portion will also have these kind of blocks, which is in off-white, olive, black, etc. And the pallu portion as well. Okay, so that is how the sari looks, and the blouse piece which is attached to it is in cream color, and this blouse piece has also got crack batiks all over it. Okay, so the sari, as I have already showed you, has got crack batik all over, and the blouse piece which is attached to the sari also has crack batik all over. So this is a very smart and very lovely piece, and I have two pieces of the sari like I've mentioned, and the price will be 1250. Okay, 1250 rupees, and after a discount of 20%, which is a discount of 250 rupees, you're going to get the sari at 1000 rupees only. Shipping charges will be extra, of course, like always. And when you send me the screenshot and you want to book the sari, you please send me across your location as well, so that I'll be able to calculate and tell you the shipping charges for that particular location. Okay, it varies depending upon your location, depending upon the weight of the sari, and if you are taking more than one sari, then it will also vary. So please send me the screenshot. Okay, I'm not numbering the saris, so screenshot is very important. Please take a screenshot, like all of you, all of the lovely ladies who have sent me or have booked the saris from my previous episodes, the same way that you have done, and those who have still not done. So for them, I'm telling you, please do take a screenshot and send it to me via WhatsApp for booking the sari. All right, so I will move on to the next one. Same on cotton. The material is cotton. Once again, as we all know, cotton is a very comfortable material which you can wear during the summers and stay comfortable. Okay, so first of all, I will show you the pallu. This is the pallu portion. I'll just put it on me so that you get a rough idea of how it will look when you drape it. This is basically Kerala cotton sari. Alright. Kerala cotton sari is white, the body is white, and the borders are lined in golden like this. All right. So moving on to the pallu portion. So this is how the pallu would be. See, there is a nice blue line after the zari also. Okay, white body, golden zari, and there's a blue line after the zari. Okay, so this is the pallu. This is totally hand painted. This is a beautiful hand painted sari. This is not print, this is not block, but this peacock, this beautiful peacock that you see here on the pallu, look at the feathers of the peacock. So nicely it is painted. It is a hand painted sari on Kerala cotton. This is the pallu, and the body will be like this. Look at the feathers, how lovely they look on your body. See, if you wear this sari, if you drape it, this sari does not have a blouse piece. And even if it does, I don't know, I have not checked. Even if it does, oh, it does. It's something like this, okay? But what I will suggest you is that go with a blue blouse, and the sari will look lovely. Okay, this is how the pallu is. The peacock, the entire peacock, you can see here, and there's a blue border at the end. Okay, and the peacock is complete, you see, with the feathers and everything. The peacock is complete all over the pallu. Very nice painting. This sari costs much more than 1,000 rupees, but on this everyday wear sari sale, you are getting this at 1,000 rupees only. Price is 1250 with a discount of 20%, which is 250 rupees. You are getting this sari at 1,000 only. Pure Kerala cotton and totally hand painted, okay? No blocks, no prints. This is purely hand painted sari. So this is going to look lovely. Okay? So this was it for this sari. Moving on to our next. Once again a cotton sari, but this has got Bagru prints, okay? These saris which I am showing you today, these are very comfortable, very soft, and very easy to keep it on you throughout the day. You know, if you just wear it throughout the day, it will not it's not going to trouble you in any way. You will feel very comfortable throughout the day. Look at this. Here is the pallu. I'll take it a bit down. Look here. Very beautiful. Look at the pallu. The material is very soft, very comfortable. For summers especially, this material, all the materials that I will show you today, all the saris that I will show you today, the material of those saris, you're going to feel very comfortable, and the look of those saris are also very smart. See how smart this is looking. So this has a golden border as well. See, if I come close and show it to you, this has golden border as well. All of the saris the same, golden border running. Okay, and the rest of the sari is like this. Okay, rest of the sari is like this. the lower portion, same white prints. All right. Very soft, very comfortable everyday wear sari. Price is same, 1250, and after discount of 20%, you are getting this sari at 1000 rupees only. Now, next comes a mal cotton sari. Now, this mal cotton is also very comfortable, as we all know, and people who have already used mal cotton, they already know that how comfortable the fabric is if you wear it during summer. You can wear this throughout the year, but if you wear it during summer, this is going to give you extreme comfort. Okay, one thing which I have not showed you in my previous sari is the blouse piece. Okay, I will just show it to you here. It has got a nice printed BP, so I must show it to you. See, this was the BP for the previous sari. Okay, so it's nice white prints on black. You can very well make a blouse out of it. Okay, like for this one, I have made the blouse out of the same blouse piece which was provided with the sari, because this is looking very good with this. Okay, so this is going quite well with this. So the same way, this blouse piece will go very well with this sari. So anybody who is purchasing this sari, who will be purchasing this sari, please do make a blouse piece out of the one which is attached, this printed one. Okay. So that was our previous sari. Now we have already moved on to our next. This is a mal cotton sari, and this is a pallu. Look at the lovely pom-poms. It is lined with pom-poms. You see, lovely contrast with the pink color, the yellow, bright yellow. Okay, this is a bright yellow color in lovely contrast. So this is how the pallu looks. I'll show you the BP. This is the BP, the striped pink with white stripes. Okay, and the body and the inner half of the sari. Okay, this from here the stripes end. Okay, it's plain, and then from here, which will basically come to your patli, has the stripes. Patli and the inner side of the sari will have stripes. If you see the other half has got the stripes. See, till the inner corner. As you can see, the BP starts here. So it is the inner corner where you tuck in, and this is the pallu. Okay, so this is how the sari looks. It is in pink color, the same color which you can see here. It's a very pretty pink, not baby pink, but a bit deep, but very pretty, very lovely color. So this is once again priced at 1250, and after discount the price comes to 1000 rupees only, and shipping is extra. Here comes another mal cotton sari in Bagru prints. Lovely blue color. This is the pallu. It's like kalamkari. This has been printed. This is of course not hand painted kalamkari, because those are very, very expensive. It will no way cover in 1000 rupees. So this is a print. Okay, and see the pom-poms at the end of the pallu. This is the pallu end. These are the pom-poms here. Okay, the colorful pom-poms, and the rest of the sari is lined with yellow pom-poms. Okay, so these are the faces on the body of the sari, and some zigzags here and here on either side of the sari. This is a pallu. Okay, the pallu portion, kalamkari style, and this is the blouse piece. Once again printed. Okay, this is the blouse. This, and the rest of the sari is same what you see. I will still show you, but just to mention, the rest of the sari is like this. Okay, so if you see, it goes like this, and the lower portion also has got pom-pom, the lining. Here you're going to tuck in, so the pom-pom ends here. You tuck in the sari, you make the pleats. The pom-poms are here at the lower end, and then the rest of the sari is like this. Here the BP starts, so the print is all over, and the pom-poms also, see, it comes still here, which means towards the extreme inner corner of the sari, because the BP starts here. That means the sari ends there. So this is also very comfortable, very easy to wear throughout the day. Okay, so this one again priced at 1250, and after discount of 20%, you are getting it at 1000 rupees, shipping charges extra. Next, I'm going to show you a khadi cotton. This is a khadi cotton sari. So, like I've already mentioned in my previous episodes where I've already showed you khadi cotton saris. So, nothing more to say about khadi cotton saris. Those who have not watched my previous episodes, this is the first time you're watching me. So, khadi cotton saris, if you have already used it, then you will be knowing. Otherwise, I will tell you this is a very soft material, and once again very comfortable to wear throughout the day in summers. So these type of sarees, you know, that is the reason why I'm calling them everyday wear sarees. That means you can put it on throughout the day without having to worry about the stuff that you are wearing, or you feel uncomfortable in it or something like that. So it's not at all that. See, a lovely green. This is showing a bit dark in the camera. Okay, but it will be little lighter and brighter shade than what you see here. Okay, somewhat like this. Okay, this is the pallu. The pom-poms are alternated with pink and green, just as the color of the sari. The two colors the sari has got, green and pink, a shade of green and pink, lovely shade of green. So that green and pink is alternated in the pom-poms. The color is alternated in the pom-poms, and this is how the pallu looks. Okay. This is the border one side, and this is the other side. Very pretty sari. Here also you have this pink bar in the pallu. Very smart, very nice sari. You can just wear it for your everyday use, and it's just very nice. খুব মিষ্টি একটা কালারের শাড়ি দেখালাম। Rest of the sari will be like this. This is the bottom portion, nicher dikta, and the rest of the sari is same. Okay, and there's a blouse piece as well. This is a blouse piece. Okay, you can very well make a blouse out of it, because the blouse piece is a lovely contrast with the body color of the sari. And this pink which is used in the border and in the pallu, the same pink is the blouse piece. So priced at 1250, and after discount the price comes to 1000 rupees only. Moving on to our next. This is a handloom cotton silk sari. The materials are different because this is my stock clearance sale. So the same sari, I don't have 2-3 pieces, or the saris that I'm showing you, I will not be able to give you colors of those saris because these are purely stock clearance sale, and that is the reason why I'm able to give you the saris at this price, which I've also mentioned in episode 3. The price of those saris are like 1,000-1,250 because this is a stock clearance sale. Okay, so this is our next sari. These are foil mirrors and tassels at the end. This is a beige color, or a little darker than beige, I can say. So this is how the pallu is. See, it's a very good contrast with the blue. The color of the blue that you are seeing, I don't know, this is purely royal blue color. Okay, this is a royal blue color sari. This is it's not showing the exact color. Okay, so if you want to book this sari, I can send you a picture also if you want, and then probably it will give you a better reflection of the color. This is pure royal blue. Okay, and this is a little darker beige. This is okay. This color, whatever the camera is showing, is perfect, but this color, it's not showing the exact one. Okay, so maybe I can take a photo. I can click a photo in daylight so you can see the exact color. So anybody who is interested in this sari, interested to buy this sari, can ask me for a photograph of this sari and I can provide the same. Alright, so this is a handloom cotton silk sari. Lovely piece, lovely color. It's a very bright and beautiful color. Okay, so these foil mirrors are there towards the bottom, and for the other side of the sari also the foil mirrors are at the bottom. Okay, so from your knee length you will get to see the foil mirrors, and they are like, they will not come out, they are nicely stitched. If you see, they are nicely stitched. Okay, so these are not going to come out, you can be rest assured. So this also has a blouse piece which is same as pallu, so once again you can go for it, it will make a lovely contrast. So this is a very nice blue color for the coming festive season. If you want to gift it to someone also, you can gift it. This is at a very reasonable rate of 1,000 rupees only, 1,250, a discount of 20%, or 250 rupees, and the price comes to 1,000 rupees only. The price is same for all the saris that I am showing you today. Okay, moving on to our next. This is also a khadi cotton sari. This is the pallu. Okay. The color is very subtle, very sober. This is once again beige, and this is green. The shades that you can see in the camera is exact. This is bit dark than bit dark and darker side, bit brighter than what you are seeing, but not a lot of difference. A bit of difference which usually stays when you are clicking a picture or you are doing a video. I always mention that to my customers, that there can be slight difference due to the light conditions and due to the mobile resolutions. Okay, so what you see with your eyes may not be the same, exactly same color when I take a photograph of the sari, when I click an image of the sari. it might differ slightly. Okay, so 10-20%. It's not that I'll show you a pink saree and I'll give you a red one. Okay, it won't be that. Or I'll show you a light pink and I will send you a fuchsia saree. It's not like that, but slight difference do remain, because that is the most that we can do. See, here are the green filled boxes. This is how the rest of the saree is. The bottom portion, okay, and the other side of the saree. The material is very comfortable. It's in khadi cotton, and khadi cotton, as we all know, and even who does not know, for them too, it's very comfortable to wear throughout the year. And here is the BP, okay, the blouse piece, the same green as the rest of the saree. So once again, you don't need to go for a different blouse piece. Of course, if you want to wear something different, wear a designer blouse or something like that for all these sarees that I've showed you today, of course you can do that. But except the hand painted peacock saree, hand painted peacock saree, which is in royal blue, I suggested that you wear a royal blue blouse with it. Other than that, all the sarees that I've showed you so far, each and every one of them have got blouse piece which is in contrast. So you can very well make a blouse out of it, and they will definitely look pretty. Okay, so there was our green saree, and two more sarees I will show you today. So today's episode is the shortest one till date, because there are not much sarees. I think total of 10 sarees were there. Okay, and I have picked up pace and I have showed you in a quicker pace today. 30 minutes almost it took me to show you all the 10 sarees, quite fast. Okay, so this is the pallu. Here you see the tassels. Okay, this is in black and white, a very smart everyday wear saree which you can wear to office or to any local events. A very smart wear for everyday purpose. See, this looks very smart. See. Isn't it? I've moved back so that you can take a full view of the saree, because this is a very smart white and black combination in checks all over the body, and the bottom portion like this. The other side, the whole body is in checks like this, and the bottom portion like that, which I showed you. It's the same, and here comes the BP or the blouse piece. So if you make a blouse out of this one, it's going to look very smart. With this saree, you can wear a black blouse also, but the blouse piece provided with this one is also quite good and will pair with the saree very well. So that was our second last saree, and this is the last one for today's episode. So see, the previous one and this one is same, only that was in white and black and this one is in red and black. Okay, so this is the pallu. All right, the pallu, the body. This is red, this is maroon. Okay, so The sari goes like this. It goes like this. Again in checks all over the body. The same thing. This is darker red or maroon. This is the bottom portion. The other side of the sari. And the blouse piece. Again, you can wear a black blouse with this one, or you can use this blouse piece as well. This is also going to team up very well with this sari. So that was all for today. All the saris I have completed showing. There were not much, probably 10 of them, 10 or 12 of them. Okay, and I have completed it in 30 minutes. For my next episodes, I will be coming up with new launches of saris, and stay tuned so that you get to see my puja collection, which I'll be coming up with in my episodes in future. Okay, and there'll be new launches on various new products that are coming up. So to watch them and to make a good collection of saris in your wardrobe, stay tuned with Karigari Hats YouTube channel. Keep watching. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification icon to get notified whenever my videos, my sell videos are uploaded on my YouTube channel. And please do like and share this video with your friends, relatives, so that they also get to know about Karigari Hat. Spread the love to everyone around you. Till the next time, bye bye everyone. Take care.